Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives, from helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.
Take your blending experience to the next level this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender to your countertop. This elite blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, the most powerful motor ever in Cuisinart blenders. Commercial-grade power combined with one-touch function make the Hurricane Pro your simple solution for creating creamy nut butters, crushing ice, and blending consistent smoothies. The ultra-large 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar provides stability and comfort when blending large amounts of the toughest ingredients. Exclusive BlendLogic's operating technology and automatic load sensing capability means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending power for preset functions that never miss the mark. Use any of the default pre-programmed functions for crushing ice, making smoothies, preparing hot soups, or cleaning. Or use the memory function to adjust the pre-programmed settings to your preference for recipes you make frequently. The variable speed control allows you to customize your blending speed from 3,000 to 25,000 RPMs, and the Turbo Burst function takes the commercially designed 6-prong stainless steel blades to their maximum 30,000 RPMs to obliterate your toughest ingredients. Where other blenders are aided in their toughest assignments, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro rips through seeds and nuts for tamperless operation. The tight seal lid comes with a removable 2-ounce measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. The Hurricane Pro comes with a 10-year warranty, and its refined gunmetal finish ensures this powerful blender impresses not only in operation, but in style. Pulverizing power, ultra versatility, and consistent blending results are just a few of the reasons to treat your kitchen to an upgrade this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro to your countertop.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a demonstration of one of the most wonderful machines that was ever invented, the Vitamix machine, and I'm going to talk to you on the most vital subject that concerns you and your family, and that is health. We have wealth. We're the richest person on earth.